Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you easy recipe of homemade pizza sauce. So let's check out the ingredients. Here I have taken 6 tomatoes. Now cut like the X mark as I am showing you here to the other side of the tomato. This is how you have to cut it. You should not have to cut it full. Just cut the X mark. That way it is easier to remove the skin of the tomatoes after boiling. Do the same with all the tomatoes. In a saucepan, boil some water and now put these tomatoes in that and cover the lid and boil it for about 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid and you will see the skin of the tomatoes are coming off. At this point, switch off the gas and remove these boiled tomatoes in a separate plate, and you have seen how easily the skin came off from the tomatoes. That's the reason why we mark the cut on the tomatoes before boiling. After removing the tomatoes, let it slightly cool down and then remove the skin. It is still hot, so do it carefully. After peeling the tomatoes, now take a grinding jar, add 3 of the tomatoes and blend it in a smooth puree. We need like that type of fine puree. Now rest of the 3 tomatoes, take one of them, cut it into half and remove the seeds and this green part that we have seen here. Remove these part from all the slices. Make sure to remove the seeds from the tomatoes. Let me show you the closer view. Remove all the seeds from the tomatoes, from all the 3 tomatoes. After that, finally chopped it. And now here is our chopped tomatoes without seeds and the puree that we have prepared. Now it's time to prepare the sauce. In a saucepan, take 2 teaspoons of any vegetable oil. Let it hot. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Slightly saute it for about couple of seconds. Add half chopped onion. Again saute it for about couple of seconds. Add chopped tomatoes and cook it. Try to mash it here. And now cover it and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes or until it became soft. After 2 minutes, open the lid and you have noticed the tomatoes became soft. And now add the tomato puree at this point. Make sure the heat is on low medium flame. We have to cook this sauce on low medium flame. Give it a quick mix. After that, add 2 teaspoons of basil leaves. You can use dry basil leaves also in place of fresh one. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or according to your taste, 3/4 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Now give it a quick mix. After mixing everything together, now slow down the heat and cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you have noticed the sauce is properly boiled and properly cooked. Give it a quick mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. It will give a nice color to the pizza sauce. Give it a quick mix and add 1 teaspoon of butter. It will give a nice shine to the sauce. After mixing the butter, switch off the gas. Healthy pizza sauce is ready. Let it cool down completely and then put it in a glass jar and you can store it for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Use this pizza sauce on making homemade pizza, and if you like this recipe then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.